Being familiar with the different types of brake fluids is vital when working with cars. Most brake fluids on the market are synthetic. The common types are DOT3, DOT4, DOT5, and DOT 5.1. The brake fluid reservoir usually has a label indicating what type your car uses. DOT5 is typically exclusively for racing, so if you're a serious racing enthusiast, make sure to change the brake fluid right after a day on the track. DOT3, 4, and 5.1 are for regular cars. The DOT stands for the Department of Transportation's classification, and the number shows the boiling point. DOT3 has the lowest boiling point, DOT4 middling one, and DOT 5.1 has the highest. The higher the boiling point, the less likely the fluid is to vaporize, meaning better performance. Also, don't mix different types or brands of brake fluids because their components can differ, leading to a drop in the fluid's effectiveness and reliability also. The AS502 can select the mode based on brake fluid type and brand, and then quickly test the water content, so you'll never have to worry about making a mistake there again.